All right, guys. Welcome back to Tailored Trailers. I'm Deja.
I'm Stockton, and with us we have a special guest. This is Nate. This is one of the owners of Brinkley RV with us here today. Now, Nate, we're showing off this Brinkley Model G. Will you show us a couple of your favorite features?
Absolutely, yeah. So this is our first proto actually of the Model G. Super excited to be here in Salt Lake with General. And so some of my favorite features, first of all, if you guys could see, the camping side of this unit is incredible. We have 3 awnings on this side. We have all updated lighting. Everything's dimmable. And you'll notice behind Stockton here, we have a huge passenger storage area. So this was a big focus of ours in design. And one of the things we wanted to do is on a passenger or on a toy haulers actually have real passenger storage, but not just a big hole where you put stuff. Have it functional where you can drop this to divide it up. You have full-size Morai drawers to store things in. There's actually one of these drawers here on the door side, and there's 2 on the off-door side. So
And I love this. These are 2 of the things that no one is doing that everyone should be doing.
correct. Yeah. It was a lot of hard work, but I love how it turned out.
Yeah,
So,
incredible.
yeah. Another feature I love, if you want to open that fridge there, we have a 12-volt fridge right on the camping side, so easy access to beverages, but also in travel, you can have food in there, drinks for the kids, whatever. And if you're at a busy rest stop, you don't have to worry about bringing the stairs down, just grab it right there.
And
So,
this is a 12 volt, so you don't have to be plugged into power. You don't have to turn the
Exactly.
generator on.
Correct.
It just runs off the battery.
Yeah, heck
That's
yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
I love it.
We were talking about how they needed to bring the 12 volt outside
Yeah.
because that
And-
110.
And they're
oh my
ahead of
gosh.
us again.
yeah, we're trying, we're listening, so
Amazing. Will you show us a couple of things inside as well?
absolutely.
Cool.
All right, so on the inside, we really tried to focus on function and then utilizing every nook and cranny we could. So
Yeah.
a few things in the kitchen. Yeah, if you want to pull that open.
My favorite right here.
Yeah,
Oh, and you have drawers that pull out from there too.
yeah, and everything's hardwood. We actually make it
Wow.
locally. And then the other thing, you'll notice kind of this theme throughout the unit, but all your shelves are adjustable, so you can make it, exactly like you need it for what you're storing. So
See, another thing that everyone should be doing that you guys are way ahead of the curve on.
we're just listening. So another favorite of mine, this is a new GE profile, and it actually has a built-in air fryer.
Wow.
So
Okay.
Nobody notices that.
Yeah.
So,
And no one else is going to get an air fryer in their toy hauler.
no, not at this point. So
Nice.
we love that. Double trash, so very functional, residential. Good storage here.
Oh,
This
yeah.
actually pulls out, so if you want to take your paper towels outside.
Okay.
Holy crap.
And then this is a drawer in a drawer.
Wow. So you can hide your keys and your wallet under there when you're out riding or
Sure.
something like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Over here, this is actually a place for cookie sheets. And then you'll notice on our drawers, everything's dovetailed.
Yeah.
And everything's completely
Right.
finished.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
That's
It looks
awesome.
like every detail was noticed here. I love it.
we worked hard on this thing.
Uh-huh.
So, over here, if you, let's see, so in the past, we've had 2 floor plans, island configuration, then also peninsula configuration.
Uh-huh.
That were our #1 sellers. And so this, we tried to combine both of them.
Okay.
So this is our first go at this countertop, but it's.
I love how
something
this
people
gives you all
really
this
like.
extra space, but it doesn't cut off your counter either. You don't have to put
Exactly.
that down to get through here. And I don't know if you guys saw, when he lifted that up, he let go with both hands. This is not hard to lift up. It's not hard to maneuver.
Yep.
Amazing.
Yeah, thank you. So some more of my favorites here in the kitchen. So your utensil, and then these are magnets for knives, so they're not bouncing around in transit. So
And this is close enough to where you'll need them, but it's out of the way, so it's not taking up any space that you would need for other
you're
things.
not losing anything.
That's
Yeah.
amazing.
So up top, more adjustable shelves.
Uh-huh.
So
Are most of the shelves in these units adjustable throughout all of them?
yeah,
Okay.
everywhere we possibly could. So, but when we were camping in it, I may want to do something one way, and you may want to do
Exactly.
something different. So
Uh-huh.
we really tried to make it versatile. So
and this
people
really
aren't
helps
locked in.
too. Something that I hear a lot is that people want a spot to put their big pots and pans. And with these adjustable shelves, you can either take a shelf out or adjust it up, and you can fit those bigger pots and pans in.
Agreed.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Agreed. Really quick, something I love is you have an extra built-in cutting board right here.
Yes.
I just wanted to point that out. Hold on, that is amazing.
And then in the garage is one of my favorite things that I haven't seen in any toy hauler.
Exactly.
These adjustable tie-down rails.
Yes. Yep.
That's incredible because everyone has different size toys, or they're putting bikes or four-wheelers in here, and they have to put their strap from the front all the way to the back, and with these they don't.
Yes.
That's
exactly.
incredible.
And plus, when you're not using them, I mean, it's not an ankle.
Yeah,
burner,
yeah.
so-
Yeah.
You're not going to be tripping over it or anything like that.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So,
that's fantastic.
one thing we try to focus on throughout the unit, but also the garage, is lighting.
Uh-huh.
You know, a lot of times back here, especially in this area, it's really dark.
Yeah.
So we put large neon lights in the back.
Oh yeah, around the
yeah.
ramp door.
Yep.
Very cool.
So really tried to light it up.
And you were mentioning, I know you just displayed it there with the dimmable lights. Are those dimmable on the outside as well?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Almost every area is dimmable.
That's so
So-
cool.
Again, jaw dropped.
Yeah, yeah. And another thing is the loft up here being
Usually
inside the
it's
garage instead of
inside.
taking up your living space.
Yes.
I love that.
Yeah. Well, we have kids, and we like keeping them together.
Yeah.
And then, you know, if you're not using this for sleeping, a lot of people use it for storage.
Uh-huh.
And why wouldn't you want to store your stuff in the garage?
In the garage,
So-
yes.
Agreed.
And I didn't even think about that for the kids, because if it's on the other side, like most of them are, the least favorite kid gets there and all the rest of them get here.
Well, yeah. And hey, what if it's raining and
Yeah.
everybody's watching a movie? I mean, now you can have kids sleeping over here. You can still use the interior of the unit.
Uh-huh.
Right.
So,
Wow.
yeah.
Wow.
This
You
is
guys
fun.
thought about it all.
We tried, man. We tried.
I love it. I love it. Do we have time to go
the
see the bedroom?
bedroom?
Yeah, sure. As we're going up the stairs here, these are all hardwood. Again, we're making it locally. This is a shoe
Oh, wow.
tray, so if you have wet shoes, you can just
Yeah.
stick them on there, stick
And
them
then
on
you don't
there.
have to clean the floors
Yeah.
afterwards.
Right.
That's brilliant.
Up here, similar similar storage to what we had in the kitchen, but this is a full pull-out here, also adjustable.
Yeah, all
Right.
adjustable shelves. And that's the biggest closet that I've ever seen in a bathroom.
Oh yeah, we tried to use all the space because usually, you know, it's like arm deep. You're
Yeah.
trying to
Yeah.
get something out, and it doesn't work very well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
This is trash down here.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone complains about not having a trash space in the bathroom.
I know.
You guys really do listen. That's
do.
amazing.
We do. So a ton of space here. Good counter, drawers. Obviously, this is your toilet paper holder. That just magnets to the wall.
And that
over
comes
here.
with the unit?
Yeah, one in front and one in back. So.
Wow.
Holy crap.
And it magnetizes to the wall. How cool is that?
Kicked on the closet lights.
Yeah.
Motion sensors all around.
Yeah, and there's underbed lights too. So if you pop up at night.
Oh yeah, I just
You
saw
know,
it
you're
on
not
both
waking
sides.
anybody up, but you're not tripping and falling.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
And then one thing we wanted to do is have your washer dryer up front, so you could have a full stackable.
Beautiful.
And if you want to pull that laundry basket out
Right
up
here?
top, yeah, it's a collapsible
No
laundry
way.
basket. So
You don't have to take up a bunch of space for storage, but you have your full-size laundry basket when you need
Exactly.
it. Wow.
That's awesome.
That's super cool.
We added some storage down here, so it's kind of like having a second dresser.
Oh yeah. You've got this dresser and over here.
Oh yeah, with the drawers and stuff.
And they're all finished
Plus
too.
you have more storage back here as well if you need it for extra blankets or pillows or anything like that.
That's awesome.
While we have this up, you'll notice there's outlets on both sides of the bed, USB, USB-C.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. And you have space in here for CPAP machines and stuff. Anything you would need in here.
Yep, we actually have a larger shelf available too. If somebody
Okay.
needs a little more space for their CPAP, we can change that out.
Okay.
So, Another change that you'll have in production is there's actually going to be a washer dryer connection in the garage too.
So you'll have it up here
Perfect.
and
You
back
could
there?
do, yes, because some
Wow.
full timers want this for closet space,
Uh-huh.
and you'd still be able to have it in back.
So you have both connections, just depending on where you want it.
Yep.
Awesome.
Love that.
Very
Right.
cool. Well, this is amazing. I mean, anything you're looking for in a toy hauler that should be in a toy hauler, if you've ever been camping in one, is in the Model G. This is amazing. Nate, thank you so much for helping us out and
Yeah.
showing us around. You guys have really gone above and beyond on this.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate you.